Not king of fruits, durian.
Durian, no.
No.
Durian, if wujud, alhamdulillah.
Allah. Alright, any other question to Mr. Saiful? Okay, one more question, okay?
Maybe now you have a family maybe. Selera apa sih? Selera?
Yes,
Appetite.
Yes.
Appetite.
Yeah. Maybe you have a favorite food and your
Appetite.
or your wife maybe have different favorite food.
Appetite.
How about you about to synchron and to harmony in your family to the menu to make a menu with all of the family can eat of menu.
Okay, alhamdulillah, kudratullah, I have a good wife.
MashaAllah.
Have same how to say selera.
Yeah,
with
appetite.
Me. And my child, my son and my daughter, they love what I eat. So that's no problem for me.
Yeah.
Food is no problem.
No problem, huh?
Whatever I take, I take.
Yeah. Just simple, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, very, very simple for his
So,
home, his family.
If I take after I take maybe kalau saya sudah makan after I maybe sometimes I take rice first then they come later. He said ayah makan apa? He said Bunda, I want to eat like ayah. Just like I just want to. If I take fish, they take fish, fried fish. If I take chicken.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Saiful. Okay, would you mind pick somebody else, Mr. Saiful?